Welcome to Dancing with Tech. We got two news stories today. The cancellation of the Google Pixel 4 and hands-on images of the Galaxy S21 FE Fans Edition. Also, we're doing a giveaway on an awesome portable mini wireless microphone. This microphone is great for blogging, recording YouTube videos, and so on. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to be eligible for the giveaway. There will be more details in the description below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like it. Now, here goes the best part of the show, and that's a joke for today. And the joke is, what do you call a pig that does karate? Come on now. You know this. You know that little kung fu. Whoa, whoa. You don't know? A pork chop. The first story we are covering today is a Google Pixel 4. It's a shame. This whole situation is really sad, but I guess I understand their point of view. Basically, it was previous rumored that Google will be launching the Pixel 4 alongside with the Pixel 6 series. That didn't happen. Then rumors surfaced into the atmosphere that Google 4 was coming out by the end of the year. Then the next rumor said it was coming out by spring 2022. Rumors, and rumors. The sad thing is I was holding out for it so I get my hands on a stock Android foldable phone. Despite all the hype behind the Google Pixel 4, it has been canceled according to Ross Young, and there several articles stated the same thing. This brings me back to the part that I say I can understand from a business standpoint and a consumer point of view. Apparently, Google doesn't think they can compete with Samsung's Civo series. I can respect that, especially from a consumer standpoint. We don't want to spend a lot of money on a foldable that can't even offer the same features as their competitors. I'm pretty sure Google Pixel 4 will be released in the near future. The Galaxy S21 FE Fans Edition. If you are looking for a decent price phone with great cameras, then you should keep your radar on this phone. But of course, the hype is over the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is the reason why Samsung delayed the launch of the S22 Ultra to February to give room for the Galaxy S21 FE Fans Edition, which is releasing in January. Samsung has its fingers crossed hoping for a successful launch. Their goal is to sell at least 9 million units. Consider the fact this phone is launching a month before the S22 series, which means Samsung is planning on making this phone extremely affordable to keep it competitive so you don't decide to skip out on them. It makes sense to get the better model, meaning the S22 series, unless this phone is really on the low, like for real, like maybe under $700. Anyways, we recently received renders of the S21 FE model, and now there are actual hands-on images that leak on the internet. A Twitter user basically said the S21 FE is identical to the Galaxy S21. This year S21 FE doesn't have a headphone jack nor a micro SD card slot like its predecessor. Samsung also announced they are additioning the headphone jack on most of their mid-range phones like the Galaxy A53, A33, and A73, and much more. I'm not surprised at all, and you shouldn't be. Anyways, the Galaxy S21 FE does have some differences from the S21 standard model. For starters, the back of the phone will be made out of plastic, just in case you need to replace it. The display will be much bigger, brighter, and run smoother than the standard S21 model. The battery will also be much bigger as well. The phone overall will be much better than the S21 model, which is a great thing in my book. Which brings me to the question of today. Do you think the Galaxy S21 FE will be worth purchasing over the S22 series if the price point is under $700? I think it will be a great deal. However, it's not the S22 Ultra. It's all about the S22 Ultra in my opinion. But if you guys looking for something affordable with great specs, cameras, better, just a little better than last year's model, this might be the phone for you. Just let me know in the comments below. And also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like it. And for your newcomers and OG members, don't forget about the giveaway. Remember, all the information will be in the description below. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later.